Hello traders, today we will learn about a simple strategy with a 1 hour breakup structure. Let's get to it. This is the structural high and this is the structural low. We will wait for price to break either of this structure high or structure low. Now price just break the structure low. Now we will look for a short entries now. We will wait for price to reach this zone for possible short entries to the downside. Here you can see price moved very impulsively to the zone. So now we will wait for a confirmation entry for a good entry setup. We will go to 15-minute time frame for more confirmation. Price just tapping the H1 zone. Price made this zone. We will wait for break of this structure low to enter short entry. Price is moving away from this structure low. Price is getting away from it. Looks like price gonna break the structure low. Not yet. Not yet. No, not yet. Now price just broke the zone. Now we will not look any entry in this zone. Let's wait for another entry. But on the hourly time frame you can see that we have this zone also, because price broke these highs, structure highs. Now we will wait for a retest of this zone. You can see again price tap this zone very impulsively, so we will wait for a confirmation entry on 15-minute time frame. Price is moving away from it, so price broke this low, this high, sorry. And this high, saying that it wants to go up. We will enter from this point, and our target would be here. Our stop loss would be here, 2.6 risk to reward. Price has just tapped our block. Now it's going out to the upside impulsively and back to the zone. We will wait for some confirmation. If price broke this high, we will move our stops to break even point. Price is just ranging, so I am moving my stops to the break even point here. Our trade is still running. Price hit our target. We are closing our trade now with 33 pips in profit, almost 2.6 takes to reward. Now we are going to hourly time frame to see some more momentum. Here you can see that this move broke this low also, and it reverts from a point of interest here, so we can enter a good trade from this point, because you can see in this area price is just ranging, showing that it has no momentum to go to the upside, so we will enter a short trade from here. See, price moved really impulsively to the downside without impulsively to the downside without tapping our order, so we are removing this order now. Price broke this zone. This is now invalidated, but now price has broke this structure lows, so this is a good entry zone, so we will enter with this zone for the further downside. Let's see if price can tap our order or not. See, price just tapped our order. We can go to the 15-minute time frame. If price has, see, price just barely tapped our order block. Because of the spread, we need to consider spread also. On this candle you can see there this is the wick, so it initially failed the target of our order block. Now we will wait for price to move to the downside. Price is moving very good. Price just hit our target of 84 pips, almost risk to reward to 1 to 5, but we will wait for more confirmation because price moved heavily to the downside, so we are not closing our trade right now. We will move our stop loss to this point here, 50 pips in locked. See, price moving for the downside. Now we will move our stop loss to this zone, this point, 77 in lock. We got tapped out from this zone, but then again price moved very impulsively, but we are fortunate to have our target fill. Let's wait for another move to the downside. Here we have structure back, so this is a valid zone for entry. But price is going down and down. Now price is moving impulsively. Here you can see this is the also entry point of interest, but it is just break above it, so it's invalidated now. Price is going down now. Here you can see price broke those highs, this high also, so we can say that this is a good entry zone. So we will go to the 15-minute for good confirmation. Here you can see on the 15-minute when it tapped this area, it broke this high, so we will entering this trade with this pin bar with a stop loss just below it, 12 pips, and targeting further highs. See, price is moving very impulsively to the upside. We are moving our stop loss to break one point now. Price is just tapped us out with a break even now. We could have booked some profit, but I was aiming for some more pips, so now I'm out with break even. Now this will be a good entry point, but with confirmation entry. Price is just ranging now with this structure high and in this structure low. Let's see how it goes now. See, price is just ranging. Now price broke the structure low, but after it broke, it just re-enter in the range with this blue candle. See, price is now re-entering in the range, but price broke this high, so we can say that this is a good entry point. Price just broke those highs also, so we can say that this is also a good entry point here. Price broke this zone very impulsively. Price didn't stop here. See, this price broke this zone very impulsively, so this is invalidated now. But we have this zone also. Let's see if it can hold it here or not. Just approaching the zone, tapped it here. We will look for entry on 15-minute time frame. Broke the zone impulsively, very impulsively. See, very impulsively, very. So we will look for entry now with a retest, but yeah, here we got the retest. But price moved very impulsively to the downside, so we could not enter right now, but I will look for entry with this from this point to this entry point and stops just above this pip, 19 pips stop loss. See if it can tap our order or not. See, price just tapped our order and now running beautifully, ranging and hit our target. See, 5 point risk to reward ratio in our price is stepping over this order block, so we will go look for an entry in 15-minute time frame. Here price broke those highs. We will look for entry from this point. This point is our entry point. See if we can tap in or not. No, price just moved away from the zone without letting us in. But see, price is going in our direction as we predicted. Price is re-entering our last interest point. Let's see if we can get another entry from here. No, price broke the zone, so there's our invalidate zone. Now as those highs are broken, we could say that this is a good entry point, and this is also a good entry point. Tapped in, waiting for a break of highs, broke the highs. Now we will enter with this point of interest now. No, price moved away from it. We are deleting our order now. So you can see that we can enter with this type of structure with very easy. We just need to identify where is the structure break or not.